Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to add friends in West Game 2. If you're new to West Game 2 or want to enjoy the game with friends, adding them is one of the best ways to grow faster, get support, and play together. First things first, launch open the West Game 2 game on your device, whichever device you are using, and once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the globe icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the message tab where you need to tap the human icon at the very top, and this will take you to your contacts tab. From here, tap on add friend at the bottom left. On the next page, type in a player name or ID to search. Make sure to type in your friend's ID or their name, and you'll then come across the search result based on the name that you've given or the ID. Now click on add friend right next to the friend you want to add, and you'll be able to send friend requests to the person. You can repeat this step for every other friend you'd like to add in the game. Once they accept your request, you'll then be able to see them in the Friends tab. So that's the process on how you can easily add friends in West Game 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.